Alam mo naman, during my program, talagang 2012, 2011 songs. Kaya nagre-respond ako, sorry 2006 pa siya eh. Oo. Pero sila, Tommy G, okay lang kasi dahil 2000 to 2012 naman ang tugtugan niya.
Yeah, lalo na kung requested naman.
Yes,
and
oo.
okay lang. The thing is, hindi rin natin ma-play ng ng Friday. Hindi mo rin ma-play ng Friday Rewind.
Friday Rewind. Friday Rewind na nga, re-request pa rin sa'yo.
That's the irony there.
Oo nga eh. Gagay mayo, pet pole na lang, baka pwede. O pet pole, jogne, pwede
Pet
yun.
pole.
Okay, balik ka rin.
Nag-request niya na si Enday.
Oo. Si Anday.
Sige.
Makwento ko lang, there was a time. Ang usapan...
Tungkol kay Enday yan.
Oo, tungkol kay Enday. Kasi nakausap ko siya off the air.
Ano sabi ni
Sabi
Enday?
niya sa akin, i-request niya raw a certain song na okay naman classic. Kaya lang, merong sumingit na off the air, may sumingit na kausap siya. Ha? Yun di ko kaya tanggapin na lang.
Sabing ganon.
Sabi ganon. Sino na yung kumanta nun? Si pareng...
Hindi ko kayang tanggapin. Si April Boy.
Si April Boy.
Paring Abril.
Sabi ko, uy, wag yun. Yun na lang inano mo. Sinet ko na eh. Paulit-ulit kami nag-uusap off the air. Talaga na ini-insist ko sa kanya. Sige, sigurado ka ha. Hindi yan nare-request mo. Kundi ito ha. Yung ano pala yan, yung kanta ng na ni Shasha Padilla na Ikaw Lamang. Yan ang request niya talaga.
Ikaw lamang.
Ikaw lamang, ni Shasha Padilla.
Ba't anong nangyari?
Di pa ulit-ulit. Tinanong ko ulit for the 5th time bago ko siya yun. Anong request mo ulit? Ikaw lamang.
Ikaw lamang.
Ikaw lamang ha? Okay, ikaw lamang. Kasi baka magbago, nakaset na eh. Pag on air, kung anong request mo, di ko kayang tanggapin. And I was like...
Dahil may nag-ulit sa kanya, katabi niya.
Nag-usap kayo, linaw-linaw ang usapan niyo, di ba? 5 times pa, tinatanong mo siya, yun na siya nasagot. Pag on air mo, anong request mo? Di ko po kayang tanggapin kasi... Okay, tataas muna ako ng 2 kami, magki-criss-cross lang ha. Okay, tala.
Uy, si Enday nag-request din sa akin, kala mo ba?
Oh, ano?
Yung nire-request niya, Enday daw. Enday. Anong Enday? Sabi niya yung ganito, Enday!
Kala mo, ha? Meron pa nga niya, medyas ni Juana eh. Di ba?
Medyas ni Juana, ni Cyndi Lauper.
Cyndi Lauper.
Sabi ko,
medyas ni Juana, medyas
sabi
ni
ko,
Juana.
Enday, hindi yan ang title niyan. Ginagawa mo lang yan dahil yun ang pangalan mo. Okay, third song now. And the song is called, what's the title of the song again? God Gave Me You, right?
Gave Me You.
Okay. To give us his version of God Gave Me You for his third song, Roselle Joy, or Giselle Roy, the other way around, Lazarte. Here we go.
For all the times I've been cheated, I complain. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, who was to blame? I still curse that rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. And then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life and just how I feel. And all that world is right before my eyes. Now that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do. God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beaten like a favorite shirt, all that wrapped up in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river drain my soul. I never doubted I am finally free. Now I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life and just how I feel. And all God gave